Hello! Soy paste and red pepper paste are common sources of Korean food. I think many of you may have heard about soy paste stew, but did you know we also make a stew with red pepper paste? I personally like it more. The heavy soup and veggies really make a good harmony, so we can have a nice meal with only this stew. Plus, this stew is the origin of Korean army stew. We originally used pork in this soup, but after the Korean War, people couldn't get meat, so we started to use ham and sausages that we were supported from other countries, and we would call it army stew. Anyway, let's begin red pepper paste stew. Please follow my lead.
Now I'm going to season pork with a half tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, pepper, and let it steep for a while. Next, in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of red pepper paste, 2 tablespoons of powdered red pepper, and a half tablespoon of minced garlic. Please cut the veggies in suitable sizes, and if you want to use other veggies, then you can do that. The preparation is done, so let's move to the pot. Add some cooking oil into the pot, then put in the cut onions and fry them for 2 or 3 minutes over medium heat. After that, add cut potatoes and fry them for 2 or 3 minutes. Let's add seasoned pork and fry them for 2 or 3 minutes too. Please pour your broth and the sauce into the pot. Turn up the stove to high heat and turn down to medium when it starts boiling. Add the other veggies and I'm going to simmer them for 5 more minutes. Now add a rosy green onion. There you are. We made a nice red pepper paste stew. I'm going to have some with a bowl of rice. Thank you for watching this video and see you next week. Bye!